Tension prevailed in Chamtilag, Karulung village under Jerigat police station of Kasar district after suspected Nscn cadres shot and injured a man on Tuesday. The injured Gainai Pao was repairing a jubilee hall at Chamtilag, Karulung village when the shooting took place. He was rushed to Alipur hospital according to a report. The armed man attacked him in the thigh. Condemning the incident, a large number of local women held a public meeting and later staged a protest rally. Women from the Lungbung Jain area village council chanted several slogans during the rally. They said they want peace in the village.
Kêu lại